Artificial intelligence, AI, has become one of the most transformative technologies of the 21st century. Here are some of the most astonishing wonders of AI. Precision medicine. AI algorithms analyze genetic information and medical records to tailor treatments to individual patients, improving outcomes. Early diagnosis. AI tools detect diseases like cancer, diabetes, and neurological disorders at earlier stages through advanced imaging and pattern recognition. Robotic surgery. AI-powered robots assist surgeons in performing delicate procedures with greater precision and minimal invasiveness. Virtual health assistants. AI chatbots and virtual assistants provide round-the-clock medical advice, manage patient records, and streamline hospital operations. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and trucks use AI to navigate and make real-time decisions, potentially reducing traffic accidents and increasing efficiency. Traffic management. AI systems optimize traffic flow in urban areas by predicting congestion and adjusting traffic signals accordingly. Fleet management. AI manages logistics for fleets of vehicles, optimizing routes and reducing fuel consumption. Personalized recommendations. AI analyzes user behavior to provide personalized product and content recommendations on platforms like Amazon, Netflix, and Spotify. Customer support. AI-powered chatbots handle customer inquiries, providing instant responses and freeing human agents to handle more complex issues. Sentiment analysis. AI tools monitor social media and customer feedback to gauge public sentiment and improve products and services. Fraud detection. AI algorithms detect unusual patterns and anomalies in financial transactions, helping to prevent fraud and identity theft. Personalized financial advice. AI advisors provide personalized investment and financial planning advice based on individual goals and risk profiles. Drug discovery. AI accelerates the process of discovering new drugs by predicting molecular interactions and identifying potential candidates. Climate modeling. AI models climate data to predict weather patterns and assess the impact of climate change, aiding in mitigation efforts. Adaptive learning. AI-powered educational platforms customize learning experiences based on individual student needs, improving engagement and outcomes. Language translation. AI-driven translation tools facilitate communication across languages, breaking down barriers in education and collaboration. Game development. AI algorithms create intelligent and adaptive behaviors in video game characters, providing more immersive and challenging experiences. Automated harvesting. AI-powered robots perform tasks such as harvesting and sorting crops, improving efficiency and reducing labor costs. Predictive maintenance. AI predicts equipment failures before they occur, reducing downtime and maintenance costs. Quality control. AI systems inspect products for defects with greater accuracy and speed than human inspectors. Supply chain optimization. AI optimizes supply chains by predicting demand, managing inventory, and reducing waste. Surveillance systems. AI-powered surveillance systems detect unusual activities and potential threats in real time, enhancing public safety. Biometric authentication. AI improves the accuracy and reliability of biometric systems, such as facial recognition and fingerprint scanning. Waste management. AI systems streamline waste collection and recycling processes, improving efficiency and reducing landfill use.